Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to get API key in Rapid API. Alright, so let's begin with the video. First, head over to rapidapi.com. Once you're on the site, all you have to do is sign into your account. If you don't have one yet, you can easily sign up by clicking the Sign Up button. From there, you just need to provide a username, email, and password. Alternatively, you can sign up quickly using your Google or GitHub account. After signing in, you'll be redirected to the Hub page where you can browse various categories and available APIs. For example, if you choose the Cybersecurity category, you'll see a list of APIs related to cybersecurity. Now, when you click to view a specific API, you'll be taken to a detailed page. On this page, you can find key information about the API, such as params, headers, authorization methods, and code snippets. You can also select your target and preferred client for testing the API. To actually test the API, you'll need to subscribe by clicking the Subscribe button. You'll be shown the available plans. The good news is that there is a basic plan which is totally free, so you won't have to spend any money to get started. There's also a mega plan that costs some bucks per month, which comes with more features. Keep in mind, the available plans and pricing may vary depending on the API you select. And that's pretty much it. So that's basically how you can get API key in Rapid API. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.